So to increase the font size beyond 72 points in Microsoft Word, you need to use this method. Let me open my on-screen keyboard, and first you need to select your text like this one, and then click the control key and press the close the bracket key like this one. As you increase it, you can see the font size here in the font box. So this is 92 right now. So let me do it 12. So if you want to preset to scaling the font size, for this you need to select the text and then you need to press Control Shift and then greater than sign to jump to the larger preset font size like this one. And if you want to decrease it, you can use the less than sign. So in the second method, you need to select the text and then press Ctrl plus D to open the font menu. And in the font size box, you need to click inside and type your desired font size. For example, 98, and click OK to proceed, and here it is. In the third method, you need to click into the font size box on the Home tab. You need to click over here where it displays maximum 72, and if you want to increase the font size beyond 72, you need to click inside this box and type, for example, 150 and click outside, and here it is. You can see that. So this is pretty simple and easy. You can increase font size in Word more than 72. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.